the United Arab Emirates, a collective of 7 crucial states that form a backdrop of expanse and natural beauty. Nestled between oil-producing states of the Gulf, the UAE has an abundance of natural resource and a wealth of heritage and culture. From tribal Bedouin beginnings to a 40-year union, the UAE symbolizes strength and solidarity. The vision of the late Sheikh Zayed, the father of our country, established the UAE as a stable and prosperous nation. His Highness Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan committed to continue in the footsteps of his father, and under his guidance, the Abu Dhabi 2030 vision foresaw a prosperous society which benefits from the creation of economic value by the strengthening of existing core industries and the diversification into non-oil and gas industries. In 2007, and as a cornerstone of this vision, Mubadala Development Company, in partnership with Dubai Aluminium Company, Dubal, planned to establish one of the most modern smelters in the world. A plan that would ultimately require an investment of $10.2 billion in the first 2 phases, supplying 1.3 million metric tons of aluminium to the global market by the end of 2014.
EMAL was born to fulfill one of the major milestones that Abu Dhabi Vision 2030, a milestone with a large industrial sector that has been placed in a Tawila.
This place at one time in the past was a desert. We managed to change this and turn it into an industrial where our metal is now being sold to the whole world.
EMAL's highly sustainable aluminium smelter meets our stakeholders' expectations in support of the Abu Dhabi 2030 vision. With this inspiring vision in mind, operations began at EMAL on the 2nd of December 2009, and little more than a year later, full production capacity of 750,000 tons was reached. Production will increase to 1.3 metric million tons by the end of 2014 upon completion of Phase 2 and the installation of the new generation DX Plus reduction cell technology, making EMAL one of the largest single-site smelters in the world.
We have adopted the DX Plus technology for Phase 2, one of the highest technology built on, because it will produce the most efficient metal, so it will reach to our customer with high quality.
The most important thing that we are all proud of is to achieve the project completion with LTI frequency rate of 0.02. We achieved the best record in the history of aluminium smelters.
Currently, EMAL supplies more than 200 customers around the globe with the highest quality SAO, standard ingots, sheet ingots, and extrusion billets. Today, EMAL contributes 0.4% of the UAE's total GDP, and this will grow as the company continues to grow, with a strong focus on developing local Emirati talent. EMAL is also helping local downstream economic development with companies looking to utilize the business opportunities available through Kizad, one of the largest industrial zones in the world.
The Emirati technology that was implemented in this project was built to a successful completion, which shows the whole world how we as Emirati can do even in a technology.
EMAL Phase 1 was one of the most exciting projects from point of view of the environment. We have spent almost $700 million to ensure that all the environmental has been protected on all levels.
We have many air monitoring stations around the plant, which is monitoring what we are emitting to the environment.
One goal, shared by everyone at EMAL, is to create a workplace culture where people's health and safety and the environment are paramount, and our work practices in these areas are in line with the world's best.
When we talk about EMAL and the future, I think all the words cannot be explained here at this moment, especially when you talk about the future of the industry within UAE, especially when you talk about the future of the UAE nationals building the nation, especially when you talk about product exported with high quality. Proudly Emirati and made in Abu Dhabi.